How to hide chats on Fiverr. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to hide your chats on Fiverr to maintain privacy? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Fiverr app. Now, what you need to do is just long press on the conversation that you want to hide and then swipe to the left. Then you'll see various options there. You'll see hide option. Just tap on hide. And then you can see that you can hide any conversation from the chat list and you can see them only by using your PIN. For that, you'll need to set up a PIN. Just tap on set PIN. So enter a 4-digit PIN and then confirm your PIN number. And you can also put in Face ID if you want to. And then tap on the search bar. And on the search bar, you'll need to put in the PIN and you can see hidden chats right there. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.